I need to get in touch with another dyer because there's a collaboration in the works. I haven't heard from him in a while. Gotta figure out what's going on with that. All right, that is 2 rows done. 2 rows done. 129 more to go. Good old plain knit stitch. I enjoy it. Knit, you are my friend. Boom, boom, boom. I wonder how much yarn's in a ball of Dishy. This might be good for Dishy yarn. I'll have to check a ball of Dishy in a second when I get done with this row. All right, there's row 3. Dishy's 100 grams for 190 yards. So that's interesting. See how much yarn this actually uses, and we'll see what happens at the end. See if I like this pattern or not, if I want to knit more of them. Right, slip one, zip the purl. Now we knit the rest of the stitches. Oops, there, that's a box. That's what I should do, is that fox thing. Keep on forgetting about that. Watched Scooby-Doo for a while this morning. I love it. One of my favorite cartoons to watch is Scooby-Doo, the old Scooby-Doo cartoons. All the little mysteries they try solving. Hopefully my new face mask ships soon, because I ordered a Scooby-Doo one. Some pretty cool face masks coming, and I can't wait to get. Got one face mask that has like Scooby-Doo and the gang on it. One has Batman. I think another one has like Gumby and Pokey. What was the other ones they ordered? Kool-Aid Man, and then one with the Reptar and one with the Rocco. So I went like face masks crazy. I don't know. I kind of like the face masks. It's kind of fun to accessorize something different to wear and kind of show off your style. Because you could be a person with a plain, boring face mask, or you could have a fun face mask that kind of shows off who you are and what you're into. It's kind of like the old hanky code. All right, another row done. More to go. Did I slip that? I don't think I slipped it. I don't feel like I slipped it. I did not slip it. That's what I thought. There you go. Now it's slipped. Yeah. I wore my rainbow butterfly face cover out yesterday when I went to a couple stores. So is someone mowing their lawn this late at night?